This is Bowser. Bowser is a 10-month-old German Wirehair pointer. He was brought to the Humane Society because he had a little too much energy for his family. He is housebroken, he's great with dogs, and good with kids. He just needs an active home that has plenty of time to exercise him. If you want to meet Bowser, come down to the Humane Society. This is Miss Yahoo. She is a 1-year-old spayed Labrador Retriever. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owners were not allowed to have pets where they were living. She is housebroken, good with dogs, good with kids, and she loves playing fetch. If you want to meet Miss Yahoo, come down to the Humane Society. This is Harley. Harley is a 5-year-old neutered lab pug mix. He was brought to the Humane Society because the other pet in the home and him were not getting along. He is housebroken, he's good with dogs and good with kids. He just needs to be in a home with lots of structure and fed separately from other animals. If you want to meet Harley, come down to the Humane Society. This is Ron. Ron is a 1-year-old neutered American Bulldog mix. Ron was a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. As you can see, he loves people and he's very social. He seems to be housebroken and he gets along great with other dogs. If you want to meet Ron, come down to the Humane Society. This is Sissy. Sissy is a 7-year-old spayed pit bull mix. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owners could not afford to care for her anymore. She is housebroken, good with dogs, and good with kids. If you want to meet Sissy, come down to the Humane Society.